Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you a different way to approach meme coins that most people never think about. I am not talking about trading meme coins, but I am talking about the complete opposite, and that's by launching coins. This approach has made me serious money in this market, and it's still flying under the radar. If you're tired of losing money every single day, well, keep watching bro, because this method might change your entire fucking situation. I used to lose a lot of money by trading meme coins every single day, but I flipped the entire game and started launching, and I ran up this wallet to over $8.5 million, bro. I will do the complete breakdown in this video. Now, most people who shift towards crypto do not bleed out their money in meme coins because they don't understand the chart. They actually lose all their money because they only choose to trade them. They buy once, okay, and after that, boom, they get dumped on by the creator of the coin, okay? And that's exactly why high-level traders and influential KOLs are abandoning trading and moving into launching, bro. You have to realize that by launching coins, okay, it's low downside and high upside. And honestly, bro, deving meme coins is way more exciting because when you trade meme coins, bro, you are basically entrusting your money to the dev. But on the other side, when you launch your own coins yourself, you become the one in control and you can cash out whenever the fuck you want. Now, the process is really simple. You put the token live on chain, okay, and then after a couple seconds, when a bunch of traders are in your coin, you just fucking dump on them, and boom, you cash out your profits, bro, and you move on to the next launch. Now, launching nowadays, bro, in 2026, it's the dominant meta because putting a coin on chain costs practically nothing. That's exactly why I launch meme coins and I stopped trading because, bro, it's way less risky. So keep watching, bro, because I'm about to show you how to launch your very first token and how it can turn into real fucking profits. And obviously, bro, I do not condone any financial fucking advice. It's all my personal financial decisions, okay? So you can do whatever the fuck you want, but it's all for educational purposes only. Cap! Now, when a brand new dev is about to launch their first ever meme coin, the platform they usually gravitate to is Pump.Fun. Now, it's the most recognizable name, so it feels like the most logical move. But that's where the mistake starts. Pump.Fun is completely flooded. Tokens are created back to back, and most of them are forgotten almost instantly. If you are still launching there, bro, you are not really building momentum. You are just rolling the dice, hoping for your coin to go viral. And there's another bigger issue. Pump.Fun controls the liquidity pool and takes a portion of your creator fees. That means you never truly have full control over your own launch. And as a dev, bro, as you guys may know, the real objective is for your token to migrate to Raydium instantly because that's where real volume and real buyers are actually willing to buy your coin, okay? But on Pump.Fun, bro, reaching that stage takes too long and depends heavily on luck. For example, bro, your meme coin needs to reach $55,000 to $65,000 for it to migrate, and that is basically impossible on this launchpad, right? Now, that's why I would highly recommend to switch completely to create meme.io because this launchpad is completely different than Pump.Fun. Basically, if you launch a meme coin here, your meme coin will skip the entire bonding curve progress and it will go directly to Raydium right here in the migrated section. And basically, okay, a bunch of people are going to start buying your coin, seeing your coin, and your coin will get a bunch of volume because it's immediately migrated. That's why people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now, I'm going to break down how you can launch a token using this platform. There are two ways to create a token here, and the route you choose all depends to you. Now, the first path is launching a coin entirely from scratch on the main page. Now, you want a narrative that has attention, which means you have to go on Twitter, right? Go on X, go on Reddit, Discord, TikTok, right, and look for a narrative to turn into a meme coin, right? Anything like a Trump tweet, Elon Musk tweet, political news, Venezuela war, anything like that will get some traction. So come back to create meme.io, invent a name, add a symbol, add a quick image, and just like that, bro, your meme coin is up and running and it's fucking live on chain. But if you want speed and instant traction for your meme coin, bro, I would highly recommend the second path, and that's by copying trending coins. Now, I've personally made all my money from this method because you can copy coins that are already trending. These are all coins that are already going viral and putting in constant buyers on Pump.Fun, which means the attention and the narrative is proven. So instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch, you are just copying a coin that is already working, and you are getting a shit ton of volume and a lot of buyers in your coin. I copy coins personally. Alright, let's stop yapping, bro, and let's head straight to the point of today's video, making a meme coin and seeing how much we can make. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom Wallet is connected, and we will be copying a coin. Now, click on refresh and look for a coin to copy, bro. Just go for one. I'ma go for the snowball coin, right? It looks kind of decent, it looks unique. Click on create coin. Ignore the warning from Phantom, bro. It's completely fucking normal. Okay, just hold the phone and just proceed. Confirm or understand. Confirm, and then the coin will be copied shortly. Okay, so just wait. Boom. And if I go in source scan, you guys can see that on chain, okay, it was created 9 seconds ago, so everything works. The website is legit. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step, okay, this entire page is where we turn on trading and where we control our liquidity pool. Now by adding liquidity here, bro, your token becomes tradable on Raydium for everyone. Now token A, okay, make sure you click on 90%. That will drop 900 million tokens. For token B, okay, this is what kickstarts the chart and where you put the first buy, okay. Now this SOL is not spent, it's just locked inside the pool. You need at least 0.3 SOL, okay, and you'll get every bit of it back when the liquidity is removed, so we have nothing to lose, right? Just make sure you have 0.3 for the first buy. Now click on create pool, wait for your Phantom to pop up, and then click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the snowball coin is on live, and your profits will show up right here. Now obviously, bro, click on refresh if you want to check your profits whenever the fuck you want. So quick example. Okay, now we're up $135 because people are aping, sniping, or just buying our coin in general to make some profits now. Okay, now click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen, and then the coin should load in a couple of seconds. Okay, boom. Now just wait for the transaction to come in. Okay, as you guys can see, okay, the chart is on live, everything is up to date. We're already up like $200, $300. I don't even know how much we're up, bro, but this is absolutely insane, and this is why I dev meme coins personally, because, bro, if you trade meme coins, you could lose your money at any moment, but here we created this coin for completely free for $0, and now we're getting a lot of fucking volume in our coin. Okay, so deving is still untapped, and that's why I am making this video. I'm pretty sure I'm like one of the only ones on YouTube making deving videos because it's so untapped. Come on, bro, it's pumping so much, bro. 50, 70, 45. Yo. Okay, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and I will be right back, okay, to dump the coin later. Guys, I am back and we are looking good. We farmed a lot of fucking Pump.Fun creator fees, and now it's time to make some money, bro, because I think we're up a lot of money. Come back to create meme.io real quick, and obviously, bro, click on the mouse but on the refresh button, my bad. And as you guys can see, bro, I will be receiving $1.8 thousand. Click on the mouse button, do 100%, remove the money, then just wait for Phantom. And as you guys can see, bro, we will be receiving around 12.5, 12.75 SOL. Click on confirm. And bang! That's exactly how you do it from fucking start to finish, bro, all into this video. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet, you guys will see that I received the entire amount that we were promised right here in our wallet, bro. And obviously, bro, this was all for educational purposes only. Create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below, bro. If you want to contact me, bro, join my Discord, join my Telegram, DM me there. And yeah, bro, peace out.